On my short list of awesome free screen recording programs is my favorite, called Jing. Jing is created by the people that created Camtasia Studio. Jing allows you to take screenshots and screencasts of your computer screen. Now you can create screencast videos up to 5 minutes in length and save them and your screenshot images to your computer or have them uploaded to your free ScreenCast.com online storage account. Now you can get Jing at techsmith.com/jing.html, and for more information on your free ScreenCast.com online storage, you can go to ScreenCast.com/help. And here you're going to find out all kinds of information about setting up, configuring, and customizing your ScreenCast.com account. Now you've got up to 2 gigabytes of free storage and 2 gigabytes of monthly bandwidth on your free account. And you can toggle back and forth between the free account and the pro account to increase the monthly bandwidth or storage as the need arises. Now to take more advantage of your free account without having to go into a pro account if you don't want to, is you can kind of keep things cleared out of your storage space here on your free account by just keeping those items stored on your computer in what's called the history section of your Jing account. And I'll show you that here in just a second. Matter of fact, let's head on back over to Jing right now. And let's say you've got this downloaded and installed. Once you do that, it's going to pop this little sun looking thing up onto the top center of your computer screen. Now you can left click, hold, and drag this guy around to wherever you want on the edges of your computer monitor, either the top or the bottom, the left or the right side. The only place I found this does not stick is in the corners. And by the way, there's plenty of tutorials here on the Jing site that covers in-depth details on how you can get the most out of your Jing software. But if you come up here and we click on capture, you get these little crosshairs that come up. Let's left click, hold, and drag your mouse to where you want to capture, be it a video or an image. And whatever you end up capturing is going to be stored in the history. Let's go and X out of this. And that history is going to be found right here. Now getting back to the taking advantage of your free account at screencast.com is you can delete the captures from your screencast.com account so you're not taking up all the storage space there until you need that particular image or video, at which time you come over here to the history section and just click on that, locate the video or the image capture that you want to share, and then you just click on the image, click on the share icon here, and then it will upload it to your screencast.com account at that point. Then you can share it and then just delete it from your screencast.com whenever you're done sharing it. That's one way to go. If you find the need to have those shares a little more longer lasting, then you might find the need to go pro. And this $100 a year for the pro account is a great deal if you want to go that route. Because in addition to the increased amount of storage space and monthly bandwidth, you're also allowed to brand background templates with your company logo and a specific color scheme, something that you're not able to do here with a free account. So there are additional advantages to going pro besides just the increase in storage and monthly bandwidth. But let's head on over to our Jing software and take a look at what happens whenever we capture something. Again, we just click on that first link there that pops out and just select the area that we want to capture. And if we want to capture this as a video, we click on this. Or if we want to capture this as an image, we click on this. And let's say we're clicking on the video and we're about a minute into our 5-minute limit and we figure out that we just screwed something up, but we want to keep this same area. We can click on this redo button and it will keep this same area intact. It'll just start the video over again. And if you decide that this is not the area that you want to capture, then you can just click on this here to cancel the whole thing out. Let's go ahead and capture this as an image and show you some more of the formatting options that are available to you here. You can change the color, you can highlight, you can frame something in, you can add text or arrows, all kinds of cool stuff here. Title it any way that you want. If you have the Snagit software, which is a kind of like Jing only on steroids, and this does cost you as well, but you're able to edit this using Snagit. You can also edit this using Camtasia Studio if you have that particular software. But these buttons here allow you to either upload it directly to your screencast.com account, you can save it to your computer, you can copy it, or you can cancel the whole thing out. Now here's something that's pretty cool too. You can even customize the Jing buttons here. Click on this guy, click on New, and this is where you can either upload it to a YouTube account and it will add the YouTube button here, or Twitter, or Facebook, or Flickr, FTP, and so on. And again, there's plenty of tutorials at the Help Center for Jing that will walk you through this entire process. And let's go ahead and cancel this out here. And coming back up here to our little sun guy, we've covered the history, we've covered the capture, and right here the third guy under more. This allows us to customize things a little bit, where you can go here to preferences and you can customize those buttons like I just showed you, where you can select a particular audio input. So if you have several different microphones attached, you want a particular one for your Jing, this is where you can go. You want to launch Jing on startup, you check that box. You want to hide the little Jing sun, you can do that by clicking that little box there. And for the free Jing, you've got the video output as SWF. Now if you want more options, maybe you want to save this as an MP4 or an AVI, then you're going to have to upgrade to either Snagit or to the Camtasia Studio software. And then once you're done with this, you can come over here and click on Finish, or if you're done with Jing altogether, you can just come over here and click on Exit Jing. You'll get this little pop-up here, and yes, bye-bye Jing. And that's going to bring us to the end of this video on an introduction to Jing. Thank you very much for watching, and you have a great day.